You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you where to find archived emails in the Gmail app on your iPhone. If you've archived something by accident or just need to get back to an old email, it's pretty simple. Let's get right into it. First, open the Gmail app on your iPhone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open up the side menu. Scroll down until you see All Mail and tap on it. This view shows you every email in your account, including the ones you've archived, even if they don't show up in your main inbox. Archived emails won't have the inbox label on them, so that's how you can tell which ones have been archived. If you're looking for something specific, just use the search bar at the top. Type in a keyword, subject, or sender's name to find it faster. When you find the archived email you want to work with, tap to open it. If you need to move it back into your inbox, tap the three dots at the top right of the email and select Move to Inbox. That's it. Your archived email will show up in your regular inbox again. Thanks for watching. If this helped you find your archived emails, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more helpful iPhone and app tips. See you later.